Latent heat of fusion. We have previously discussed that when a solid changes into a liquid, its temperature remains constant. The heat energy supplied to the solid is stored within the molecules of the liquid as potential energy. This stored heat energy increases the intermolecular spaces and decreases the intermolecular forces, allowing the substance to change its state. The heat energy required to change a solid into a liquid without any change in temperature is called the latent heat of fusion. Specific latent heat, SLH, of fusion. The specific latent heat of fusion is the amount of heat energy required to completely melt a solid at its melting point. It depends on the mass of the solid. The greater the mass, the more heat energy is required to melt it. In other words, the same solid will have different latent heats of fusion depending on its mass. To simplify the problem, we consider a unit mass of a substance at its melting point and calculate the heat energy required to melt it without any rise in temperature. This calculated energy is specific to the given solid and is called specific latent heat of fusion. Units of specific latent heat of fusion. In the CGS system, specific latent heat of fusion is measured in joules per gram, calories per gram in the old system, while in the C system, it is measured in joules per kilogram, calories per kilogram in the old system. Ice has the highest specific latent heat of fusion, with a value of 336,000 joules per kilogram in the SI system, 336 joules per gram in the CGS system, and 80 calories per gram in the old system. The table below shows the specific latent heat of fusion of some substances. Table 10.4 Latent heat of fusion of some substances. Substances latent heat. Joules per gram, joules per kilogram, calorie per gram. Ice 336, 336,000, 80. Copper 180, 18,043. Paraffin 146, 146,000, 35. Silver 88, 88,021. Sulfur 37.737700, 9. Lead 27, 27,000, 6.42. Mercury 12.5, 12,500, 3. Specific latent heat of fusion of ice. The specific latent heat of fusion of ice is the amount of heat energy required to melt 1 kilogram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius to form water at 0 degrees Celsius. It is important to note that if 1 kilogram of water at 0 degrees Celsius freezes to form ice at 0 degrees Celsius, it will release the same amount of heat energy that was absorbed during melting. For example, if melting 1 kilogram of ice requires 336,000 joules of heat energy, then 1 kilogram of water at 0 degrees Celsius will liberate 336,000 joules of heat energy before changing to ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Expression for specific latent heat of fusion of a solid. The expression for the specific latent heat of fusion of a solid is given as follows. Consider a solid with a specific latent heat of fusion of L joules per kilogram. Let m kilograms be the mass of the solid. For 1 kilogram of solid, amount of heat energy required for fusion is equal to L joules. Therefore, for m kg of solid, amount of heat energy required is equal to ml joules. Thus, heat absorbed or given out during fusion or solidification is ml joules.